Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create vintage photo effects in Picsart. So to do that, you're going to follow a little bit of procedures I'm going to be showing you. So open your Picsart application, tap on the plus icon over there, then select see all from there. So when you select see all, basically scroll down and choose a photo that you want to apply the vintage effect. So I'll basically choose a group photo for this effect because it will look good. Alright, so I'm looking for a group photo that will apply for this vintage effect. Then I'm choosing that one there. Then after choosing it, basically I just need to close that. Alright, so what you're going to do is to come to the tools there, then come to adjust, then come to the clarity over there, then increase it a bit up to 38, then come to the saturation, then reduce it up to there, up to negative 57. So after that, you tap on that tick. So right now, this is the last step. Come to effects. When you come to effects, come to FX. So when you come to FX, look for GRN2. So GRN2 is over here. Then you tap on it. Okay, so as you can see, this is a vintage effect, as you can see. So what you want to do is to just come and save it from there. Then after saving it, you'll be able to see it. But as you can see guys, this vintage effect is for gold users, whereby people who have subscribed to Picsart can only use this feature. So if you have not subscribed to Picsart, basically you won't use this feature unless you pay a monthly amount to Picsart for you to use such features which are advanced. Okay, all right, so anyway guys, I hope you found value in this video. Please like, subscribe, and we shall meet in the next video.